Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Come with me. I'm going to share with you my 5 tips for keeping Japanese beetles away from your garden. Tip number 1. Check the soil for Japanese beetle grubs. Here's a close-up shot of a grub buried in the ground. As squeamish as it might feel, grab it and smash it with a rock. Taking out the larva prevents added adult beetles from emerging and causing havoc. Here's a look at what these beetles can do. The leaf is completely defoliated by hungry beetles. The second defense to control the Japanese beetles is to use a trap. Beetle traps are available, but be cautious. While they can catch a lot of beetles, they might also attract more to your garden. If you choose this option, place them 20 to 30 feet away from the main plants to avoid drawing beetles closer. The simplest and perhaps most satisfying method is hand picking. Grab a jar of soapy water and head out to the garden in the early morning or late evening when these beetles are less active. Gently knock them into the container. The soapy water will kill them, and you'll be surprised at how quickly you can reduce their numbers. The fourth method is to use a bug or mosquito light trap. Set it up near your plants, making it easier to lure them in. And finally, for a more high-tech approach, use a handheld vacuum. This tool can suck those beetles right off your plants. Just make sure to empty them into a trash bag once you're done. Or again, you can use soapy water. It's an effective way to keep your garden beetle-free. With these 5 methods, from targeting grubs to using high-tech vacuums, you will be well equipped to fend off Japanese beetles and protect your garden. If you have tried any of these techniques, share your experiences in the comments below. I will leave all the links in the description box. Please like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening.